What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click off my canal. So I know I have been MIA for a little bit. 2 weeks now I haven't posted video, but guys, if you guys want to know what I have been up to, follow me on my vlog channel. Please go to my vlog channel and subscribe. You guys will see what I have been up to. We're in lockdown here in Holland, so there's not much to do. Since I control my hair, it has been like this. I just put wig on and I go out of the house, and when I'm back I just take it off. So it has been really easy, not doing too much. But today I want to come and show you guys an AliExpress wig that I bought. I've had this wig now for a little bit lying down in the house because I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys and show you guys how this wig look like. But I haven't really got the time because I have been really busy. I have been moving around the house. I changed my bedroom. If you guys want to see that video, follow me on my vlog channel. Please go and support your girl on my vlog channel, which is amifullest life vlog. I really appreciate you guys. Go there and you guys will see all the drama that I put myself through. And I'm still in it. So yeah. Before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, I want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys like my AliExpress wig unboxings. These videos are not sponsored. I bought this wig myself with my own coins, okay? I wish I can get sponsored videos, but I'm not sponsored. But I just really like to come and show you guys when I buy stuff, actually wig on AliExpress. So the wig came in this bag, normal AliExpress standard delivery. Shipping was very fast. One thing I like about AliExpress, when you buy wig from AliExpress, the shipping process, it's super fast compared to when you buy something like this. When you buy something like this from AliExpress or something like this from AliExpress, I didn't get this one from AliExpress actually, but this one I did. When you get something like that from AliExpress, it will take 35 to 55 days for you to get it. But when you buy hair from AliExpress, it takes three to 4 working days or 7 days, sometimes 3 to 4 working days. Your hair is here. It's like the shipping process is so fast when it comes to hair, and I really like that. So yeah, and of course the hair a little bit expensive. You can actually go to the website on the website of the hair and buy directly from their website, or you can go to AliExpress and buy from AliExpress as well, because they also have link in AliExpress. So I've purchased hair from this company before. I really like how the hair look like. I have some few videos that I've done unboxing on. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it here so you guys can go and check it out. So when you open, of course I need to open it and see. This is the bag that the hair comes in. If you guys remember this company, I've purchased hair from this hair company in the past. I'll leave those videos here so you guys can go and check it out. This is I love the fact that the hair comes in this bag. I really love it because it's just so nice. You know, if you want to give somebody as a gift, really nice. I love the bag. I love the pinkiness, and it's really nice. So when you open the bag, what you get in here, I think I've took out, you get the hair, you got some accessories. Yeah, you get this queen accessories, this hair clip. I think I have quite a lot of this right now. I think I have different ones because I buy hair and I always get it. Sometimes you do get eyelashes. This time I didn't get eyelashes, but I got this one, which I really like. It's really beautiful. And now this is the hair we are talking about. I can't remember the name of the hair because everything was on my phone and I'm filming this video with my phone, but I'll definitely leave the name of the hair on the screen, or I'll put everything also in the description box. So the hair is 26 inches. This is like a curly wavy. It's like a straight hair, but it has a little bit of curls. So it's 26 inches. I think I purchased this hair for 170 something. I can't remember the price. I'll put it here because you guys know the longer the inches is, the more expensive the hair is. It's all about the inches, the density, and this one is 180. I remember most of the hair I buy from AliExpress, they're either 150 or 180. If they have 180 density, I normally choose for 180 because then it's more thicker, it's more fuller. But if they don't have it, I'll just go for 150, but this one is 180. And I really like it. So the longer the hair is, the more expensive that you pay for it. So yeah, and this one is 13 by 4. So it's like full lace at the front, and which I really like it. It's really nice. So this is what the hair, you guys can see, is straight, but it do have a little bit of curl in it, and it's really nice. I love it. I've already opened it because I need to open it and see if the hair is good before I can actually get a feedback on my AliExpress account. So that's the reason why I normally first like to open it and check it out before giving a feedback. So this is what the hair is looking like. It smells like a factory. It does have this factory smell. If you guys have not seen a video where I show you guys how to wash your hair, I'll also leave it right here for you guys on the screen, so you guys can go check that video, how I do wash my hair so that I can get rid of that smell in it. But this is what the hair is looking like. It's looking really beautiful. I really like it. It's super nice. I love the curls. Like, I don't want to play with it too much, but the curls are really beautiful. And yeah, it's black. I love black wig. I'm not really into colorful wig except the short bob wig that I got. That one was colorful and I really love it. But normally I love black. I just feel like black, and you can just manipulate black with every kind of color. And so this is what the wig, as you guys can see, this is 26 inches. So imagine just being on my head. Oh, this is comes all the way. If you stretch it all the way, like down to my, all the way down, no, it's pretty long. And so let's remove this stuff and I'll show you guys what the inside of the wig is looking like. Okay, I love it. If you guys can hear the kids in the background, please excuse the noise, because even though you tell these kids keep quiet, it's gonna be a trouble. So this is what the wig is looking like from the inside. You guys can see you have a full lace at the front, and you do also have a little bit at the back, go in a little bit deeper. So if you want to go for like a deep side part, you can actually do that. It looks like the lace, the edges is already plucked. I normally don't pluck my wig, just because I'm not really good at it, and I try not to manipulate it too much because I don't want to spoil it. I'm not like a wig expert. I'm still learning. I've been watching a lot of tutorials on YouTube, how to take care of your wig, how to maintain your wig and stuff like that. And so I'm really learning, but when it comes to that plucking, I'm not really good at it. So I've not really given it a try yet on wig, especially the ones I've been buying now. They are pretty expensive, and I don't really want to waste my money and be plucking on it. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. Check that bouncy. See how yo, check that curls. The curls is bouncy. It looks really nice. So let me show you guys what the lace inside is looking like. So you got 3 comb. You have 1 comb at the back, you have 1 at the side, 1 here, and then you also got an elastic, adjustable elastic. But normally what I like to do, I also like to fix my own elastic band from hair to head. I always like to fix it just to give it extra security. Secure, just to keep it extra secure. So I always like to go in with my own elastic band. And you also do have a little bit of lace at the back, which that one is a little bit easy to cut. And yeah, the cap is really nice. Let's put it on, even though I don't have net, but let's just put it on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Okay. Whew, yes. I have been really kind of a bit okay. It's a little bit big, but my head is not that big, so you guys see a little bit big, but it's okay. The cap is a little bit big, but yeah, my head, I cut my hair, so my hair is not that big, a lot, because if my hair was a lot, then it would be a much more fuller. But I really love how the cap is. So for example, when I want to fix my wig, I normally fix it like this and then cut it when the wig is on my head. This is how I have been doing it. You can actually part its side part and go for that curl, which is really beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, this is so nice. I love how the lace is almost not too no, it's not like super brown, but I can definitely go in with my foundation to make it look the same as my skin tone. Yeah, so far so good. You know, like I really need to go in and cut the lace if I'm ready to fix it. The cap is quite big, you know, the cap is quite big. So if you have a big head, sorry, but if you have a big head, then you are safe. There's some wigs I actually got from AliExpress that the cap is so small, but this one, the cap is very big. It's very loose on my head, super loose. So that's the reason why I normally like to go in with adjustable elastic band on my own, and then with using your lace front and glue everything just makes everything stay perfect. But yeah, this is an unboxing. I don't know if I can stand up. I do have my mic on my shirt. I don't want to roll in, but I don't know if I can stand up. Can you guys see the back? I don't want my mic to fall down, but you guys see how long it is. It's curly, okay, so it's pretty long. Let's put it this side. My neighbor is looking at me. My neighbor is looking at me like, what the hell is she doing? But yeah, as you guys can see, I have the window open. So it's pretty long and it's really nice. I love it. I love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hair. I'm planning to get those hair curl flat iron, those ones, so that you can like curl it yourself. You can definitely put heat on this hair. But so far so good. I really love it. I love how wavy it is. It's really nice. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing, and if you guys are interested in this hair, let me know in the comment box. If you guys have any question, you can also feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is also in the description box. You can WhatsApp me on WhatsApp. We can chat. I have been chatting with some of you guys on WhatsApp, which I really like. I feel like, you know, we get to know each other, the connection get a little bit stronger, and I get to know my team Fullest, you know, my team Fullest. I get to know you guys. So if you guys are interested, if you guys have any other question, you feel like you want a quick answer, send me a DM on WhatsApp, or you can actually DM me on my Instagram, which is at amifullest on Instagram. Follow me on my Facebook like page as well at amifullest. Thank you guys so much, Team Fullest. I really appreciate your love and support. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye. Doei. Vergeet niet te abonneren. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien.